A list of 192 keto-friendly foods for losing weight. Hello and welcome to another video designed to show you all of the foods that you can consume on a ketogenic diet. Below the video you will find a link to download a printable keto foods list to make the diet simple and easy to follow. When following keto, also known as the ketogenic diet, the goal is to keep your carbs as low as possible so that your body can enter the fat-burning state called ketosis. Let's begin by looking at low-carb, keto-friendly fat sources like avocado, butter, brie cheese, whole cream, egg yolks, olive oil, and MCT oil. Here are all the keto-friendly fats on the list. Next, we will take a look at keto-friendly meats with almost zero carbs. These provide essential proteins and amino acids to keep your muscles strong and healthy. Beef, chicken, pork, lamb, duck, and organ meats are also excellent to consume for their high amount of nutrients. However, be aware that liver does contain some carbs that need to be counted in your daily intake. Always choose grass-fed and pasture-raised meats as these contain the highest amount of nutrients. Although it's best to avoid processed meats, many following the keto diet will consume the following cured or dry meats on occasion: salami, bacon, hot dogs, beef jerky, deli meats, pork rinds, and pepperoni. Here are all the keto-friendly meats on the printable list. Now, let's take a look at some of the best low-carb fruits and vegetables for keto. These provide essential minerals, vitamins, and fiber for supporting weight loss. Onions, peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, garlic, and celery. Here's the full selection that you can find on our printable foods list. You can also consume certain fruits on keto which provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. However, these do contain sugars and carbs, so you should consume these in moderation and count the carbs to stay below your daily carb allowance. These include rhubarb, blackberries, strawberries, starfruit, lime and lemon, and blueberries. Now, let's take a look at some healthy nuts and seeds that you can eat on a keto diet. Almonds, Brazil nuts, pecans, pistachios, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. Here's the full list. Nuts are a wonderful source of fat for keto, however snacking too often can slow weight loss, so eat these alongside your healthy meals. Next, we take a look at some amazing herbs and spices which provide phytonutrients that cleanse the body of toxins for faster weight loss. These include turmeric, sage, thyme, rosemary, chili powder, and coriander. Here's the full list. Fish are some of the best foods to consume on keto and provide important omega-3 fats, fat-soluble vitamins, and trace minerals such as salmon, sardines, anchovies, mackerel, and cod. Here's the full list on the printable poster. Oily fish are amazing on the keto diet and help your body to make ketones, which are amazing for brain, eye, and heart health. Always choose wild-caught fish when possible, as farmed fish does not contain as many nutrients. Seafoods are highly recommended on keto as they are a rich source of minerals that speed up fat burning and improve brain chemistry, such as mussels, oysters, crab, scallops, and shrimp. Here's the full list. There are also lots of keto-friendly drinks to keep the diet interesting and flavoursome, which include sparkling water, unsweetened tea, almond milk, bone broth, and black coffee. Always choose drinks that have no added sugars for the best effects. Here is the full list on the printable sheet. Always be sure to choose drinks that have no added sugars. Diet sodas should not contain aspartame as this can cause insulin resistance. Keep in mind that sweeter flavored drinks can sometimes trigger sugar cravings in some people. Those on a keto diet should not consume alcohol very often, as this slows down fat burning as the body processes it. We recommend only consuming the following drinks on a special occasion: vodka, gin, whiskey, and tequila. And the full list? If you need to add a little sweetness to your drinks or keto recipes, there are some healthy approved options which contain no carbs. These include liquid stevia, erythritol, monk fruit extract, and liquid sucralose. Be sure to consume products that contain no additives like maltodextrin. You can also use xylitol, which tastes exactly like sugar. However, keep this away from your pets as it is toxic to dogs. Finally, we will share with you foods that you must avoid at all costs, as these will knock you out of fat burning when on keto. Keto is truly the healthiest diet for humans when done properly and consuming the right foods packed full of nutrients. To download the printable food list of all the keto-friendly foods mentioned today, please see the download link below the video. This is free and is a very useful resource. To learn more about specific keto foods, including which foods to avoid and the benefits of specific foods, please see our Healthy Keto playlist at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.